are we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough.
Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I am glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. We got a 20 by 20 canvas we're working on today. It's we're reusing it. I tried to do another swipe using the Artist Loft soft body acrylics, and it's just eating up my paint. I need to find a new base coat color for my students in Seattle at the Fluid Art Experience, because since they changed it from the soft body acrylic to the flow, or was it the flow to the soft body? I don't know. It's just not working. So I'm repainting this canvas, 20 by 20, excellent size, and I'm fiddling and practicing my pearl pour painting because they're just so satisfying for me. Let's talk about our paints. Right here is one of our base coat colors. Now I'm using two different Behrs. People ask me this question all the time about my base coat color. This blue right here is Interior Satin Enamel Deep Base by Behr, and it is untinted. It doesn't have any color above it. That way you can add your colors to it. So that's the blue. It's the Behr 8300 with my different pouring medium, which is GAC 800, Floetrol, Liquitex Pouring Medium, and water. And I can't tell you how much water, guys. I don't measure, but it's a good amount of water, probably 25 to 30% water in here. What I did was, this cup has measurements on it. I filled my cup with the Behr house paint to 6 ounces. I added an ounce of Floetrol. I added an ounce of GAC 800. I added an ounce of Liquitex, and it looks like 3 to 4 ounces of water. So a good amount of water. I'm sorry I don't measure. If you want someone's pearl pour recipe that does measure, Darling Tara from Tara Lombardi, from Pieces of Tara, take 2, Darling Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara on YouTube. She measures everything, uses a scale every time she does a pearl pour painting. This right here is also Behr Premium Plus Interior Satin Enamel, mixed the same way as the other one, but this is their ultra pure white. You can see that there is color already in this paint. So that's what I use for a white base coat color. I use the untinted Behr when I want to add color to it. Our colors are yummy. I used them the other day and I put too much paint on my canvas. It ended up drying beautifully, but I want to do it again without having that problem, because I ended up swiping a lot of areas, which turned out okay, but I swiped specifically to get some of the paint off that was in the middle. I didn't have any pipettes or anything to suck it out of there. So I wanted to do it again with hopefully a better end result. Right here in this yummy cup is Golden Fluids, and that is their Cerulean Deep Blue. Now the fluid paints did not take as much water as the non-fluid paints. This is a glorious color, one of my new favorites. That's Alizarian Crimson Hue in the Golden Fluids. Right here, the best blue out there, or one of the best blues, Golden Fluid Acrylics in the Paynes Gray. Right here is a yummy warm gold that I think pairs very well with these colors. That's Modern Masters, and that is their satin finish Tequila gold. I get my Modern Masters off Amazon every once in a while. they go on sale, which is nice. Right here is Golden Fluids in the titanium buff. And I added literally just a drizzle of the DecoArt Satin Enamel in the pure white. These paints are also mixed the same as my base coat with a squirt of GAC 800, a squirt of Liquitex, a squirt of Floetrol, a squirt of paint, because they're fluid paints, and that's all you need is a squirt, and then water. Different paints took different amounts of water. This right here, the Modern Masters took a little bit more water than the fluid paints. I know it can make your head spin, but just practice. Like I've told you a million times, it's not rocket science, guys. Pearl pour painting, fluid paints, as fluid as they get. More fluid than swiping paints, more fluid, as well as Dutch pour. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to just ask me in the description box or email me, cozcreationsart@gmail.com. Glad you're here, guys. Let's get busy.
sky, watching stars align. on my chest, so calm.